Stay safe. Your guide to flame-resistant clothing in South Africa. Working in high-risk industries. Discover why SANS-certified FR clothing is essential for your protection against fire and thermal hazards. What is flame-resistant clothing? Self-extinguishing protection. FR clothing is engineered to resist ignition and self-extinguish when exposed to flames, preventing the fabric from melting to your skin or continuing to burn. Crucial escape time. In the event of a fire, it provides precious extra seconds or minutes, allowing workers critical escape time to move to safety. SANS certification, your safety guarantee. FR clothing certified by SANS adheres to stringent South African national standards, guaranteeing top-tier safety for workers. This certification ensures your clothing meets all local fire safety regulations, keeping you legally compliant. SANS certification also aligns with global safety benchmarks, providing universally recognized and reliable protection. Materials that make a difference. SANS-certified FR clothing utilizes advanced materials designed for superior protection. Inherent FR fibers, materials like Nomex, Kevlar, and Modacrylic are naturally flame-resistant, offering inherent protection that won't wash out. Treated fabrics, standard cotton fabrics are chemically treated to acquire flame-retardant properties, enhancing their safety profile. Rigorous testing, all materials undergo comprehensive testing for heat transfer, flame resistance, and shrinkage to ensure maximum safety and durability. The certification journey. The SANS certification process involves thorough evaluation to guarantee safety and quality. Finished product evaluation includes hardware, labels, and overall construction. Performance testing, rigorous tests for flame resistance, heat transfer, and thread melting. Manufacturing compliance, review of quality manuals and design processes. Benefits that protect. Investing in SANS-certified FR clothing offers significant advantages. Enhanced worker safety, provides crucial protection in high-risk sectors like mining, electrical, and oil and gas. Legal compliance, ensures adherence to all South African occupational health and safety laws. Durable and cost-effective, offers long-lasting, comfortable, and smart protection, reducing replacement costs. Secure your safety today. For all your SANS-certified flame-resistant clothing and other PPE needs, contact us.